How to go live on Instagram. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. So make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. First of all, open Instagram app on your mobile. As you open Instagram app on your mobile, go to the profile setting that is linked down below in the settings. Then you can go to the plus option that is located up above, or you can go to the plus option that is down in the bottom panel. If you click any of these plus button, then there will be an option of post, story highlights or live. Now you can from here go to live on your Instagram account and can convey messages to your followers, and also can send any feed to someone. This is how you can go live on Instagram. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and also hit the like button, and if you have any question, put it down in the comment section.